Whatever the weather, you can set the perfect driving temperature with available heated and front ventilated seats and climate controls. If your vehicle is equipped with heated and front ventilated seats, you can operate these when your vehicle is on or in accessory mode. The buttons for the front seats are usually found near the climate controls on the center stack. While for the rear outboard seats, the buttons can be found either on the center console or on the rear door. Depending on your vehicle, there are up to 3 settings you can choose from. Heat up the seat back, heat up the seat back and cushion, and ventilate the front seats. Press your desired button to turn the feature on, and it will automatically turn on to the highest setting. You can adjust the level by pushing the button. Each press will lower the level until it turns off. Some vehicles are equipped with automatic heated or front ventilated seats that automatically adjust based on the interior temperature. This feature can be adjusted in the settings menu. But there's more. You can also utilize your vehicle's climate controls in combination with heated or front ventilated seats. Aside from air conditioning and fan control, here are the other climate controls that you can adjust. Manual temperature control adjusts the temperature of the air delivered through the system vents. Just turn it counterclockwise for cooler air and clockwise for warmer air. Then there's auto temperature control. If equipped, you can press the auto button, and the system will automatically regulate to the set temperature, fan speed, and airflow direction. Dual zone climate control lets the driver and front passenger select different temperature settings if equipped. Airflow distribution allows you to put airflow exactly where you need it, to the torso, to the feet, or to the windshield, outboard air conditioning outlets, and side window outlets. These buttons can also be used in combination, like if you want to direct the airflow to the windshield and the feet. While the Max Defrost button lets you direct airflow to the windshield with one button press. Recirculation sends already cooled interior air back through the air conditioning system, cools it further, and sends it back to the interior. This allows for best cooling in hot weather and also keeps unpleasant outside odors out of the vehicle. And lastly, there's the rear window defogger. This heats up the grid embedded in the rear window to help melt frost, ice, or snow. Make sure your entire window is cleared before driving. Going out for a drive can be more enjoyable with the right temperature.